Welcome to English Podcast Academy. My name is Olivia, and it's so nice to see you here today. If you're trying to improve your English in a natural way, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll do 3 things. First, you'll hear a story from a normal day that's full of real-life English. Then, we'll learn 5 useful phrases that people use every single day. And finally, I'll help you feel more confident speaking English in just 7 days. So, grab your tea or coffee, take a deep breath, and relax. Let's get started. It was a quiet Wednesday morning. The air outside was cool, and the city was just starting to wake up. Street lights were still on, and the sound of distant cars echoed between the buildings. Mia, a 28-year-old hairdresser, unlocked her small salon at exactly 8:45 o'clock, just like she did every day. She pushed the glass door open, took a deep breath, and smiled at the familiar scent of shampoo and fresh towels. She turned on the lights, swept the floor, and played soft jazz music in the background, her favorite way to start the day. Everything felt calm and in place. The chairs were clean, the mirrors sparkled, and the coffee machine was ready. At exactly 9 o'clock, the bell above the door rang. Her first customer had arrived. It was a woman in her mid-30s, dressed in a warm coat, holding a coffee cup in one hand while scrolling through her phone with the other. She looked up, made eye contact with Mia, and smiled warmly. Mia greeted her with a cheerful voice. "Good morning. What are we doing today?" The woman let out a small laugh and replied, "Just a little trim, please. Nothing too crazy." They both chuckled as Mia gently guided her to the chair and began washing her hair. The water was warm, and the room felt cozy. As Mia worked, they chatted about the chilly weather, their weekend plans, and a new TV series they both had started watching. The salon was peaceful, filled with the soft snipping of scissors and the quiet rhythm of everyday life. Then, suddenly, the woman's phone buzzed. She looked at the screen, sighed softly, and answered, "Hey, I'm at the salon. Let me call you back, okay?" Her voice was quick but polite. She hung up and tucked the phone away. Mia smiled knowingly and asked, "Busy day?" The woman nodded with a grin. "Yeah, meetings, errands, you know how it is. One thing after another." By the time Mia was done, the woman sat up straighter and looked into the mirror. Her eyes lit up. "Looks great. Thank you so much." Mia handed her a small mirror to check the back and said proudly, "Anytime." The woman paid, left a tip, and as she walked out, she looked a little more confident, a little more refreshed. Mia watched her go, then turned back to tidy up the station and prepare for her next appointment. Another ordinary day, another happy customer. Now, let's take a closer look at 5 simple but powerful phrases from the story. These are not just textbook expressions. They're real English, the kind of language you hear in cafes, at work, in salons, and on the street. The more you hear them, the more natural they'll become for you too. 1. What are we doing today? This is something hairdressers say all the time, but it's more than just about hair. It's a friendly and casual way of asking, "What would you like me to do for you today?" It creates a relaxed and easygoing atmosphere. You can also use this phrase in other situations when you're helping someone or making plans. For example, imagine you're a personal trainer and your client walks in. You smile and say, "All right, what are we doing today? More cardio or weights?" It shows you're ready to help, and it sounds natural and warm. 2. Just a little trim. A trim means you want to cut just a small amount, just enough to clean it up or keep the shape. You're not asking for a totally new style. This phrase is short, but it communicates a clear idea. To give an example, let's say you're at the barber and you say, "Just a little trim, please. I'm trying to grow it out." This tells them you want to keep most of your hair as it is. 3. Let me call you back. This one's super useful. You say it when you're in the middle of something, like shopping, talking to someone else, or working, and can't talk right now. It's polite, short, and gives the other person a clear message. "I'm not ignoring you. I'll return the call later." As an example, Imagine you're at the checkout line in a busy store and your phone rings. You answer quickly and say, "Hey, let me call you back. I'm just paying right now." It keeps things smooth and respectful without needing a long explanation. 4. Looks great. This phrase is simple, positive, and super common. You can use it to compliment someone's hair, outfit, artwork, food, or even their house. It shows appreciation and kindness. For instance, your friend shows you a photo of the cake they baked. You smile and say, "Wow, that looks great." It's a small compliment, but it can really make someone's day. 5. Anytime? Instead of saying the usual, "You're welcome," this version adds a little more warmth. It tells the other person, "I'm happy to help, no problem at all." It also shows you're open to helping again in the future. To give an example, someone says, "Thanks so much for helping me move that box." And you reply with a smile, "Anytime." It's short, cheerful, and leaves a good impression. You see, even a small moment like a visit to the hair salon can be full of real, living English. It's in the smiles, the greetings, the tiny details of a conversation, the ones that feel natural, unplanned, and completely human. These are the kinds of English moments that textbooks can't give you. But real life is full of them. And when you make English a part of your daily life, something amazing starts to happen. You begin to understand more without translating in your head. You start to hear patterns, phrases, and rhythms that once felt difficult. And the best part, you start to speak, not with fear, not with hesitation, but with calm, with confidence, and with flow. You don't have to lock yourself in a room and study for hours. You don't need to memorize long lists of words or chase after perfect grammar. That's not how real language works. What you truly need is simple. Just 10 minutes. That's it. 10 quiet, focused minutes a day where you simply listen. No pressure, no stress. Just real English, gently entering your mind like sunlight through a window. And you don't even need to search for what to listen to. We've already done that part for you. We've prepared playlists, filled with real English, designed to help you grow without forcing it. You can listen while walking, cooking, relaxing, or even while lying in bed. The more you surround yourself with English, the more your brain gets used to it. It becomes part of your environment, your routine, your life. One video a day, one step at a time. That's how real progress happens. That's how you build something strong. You don't have to rush. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to stay close to it, just like you're doing right now. And most importantly, you're not alone in this. Every time you play one of these videos, I'm here, with you, supporting you, believing in you. You're not falling behind. You're building something, slowly, steadily, and in your own way. You're doing better than you think. You're learning more than you realize. And trust me, one day you'll look back and be amazed at how far you've come. So, if this video helped you even a little, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. And remember, our playlists are here for you, ready whenever you are. Just press play and let the journey continue. See you in the next one.